Okay, let's get right into it. There's one specific feature on your LinkedIn profile that I'm willing to bet you're either not using at all or you're using it completely wrong. But hey, don't worry, because by the end of this quick explainer, you're going to know exactly how to fix it and turn it into a tool that actually works for you.
And this quote right here, it just says it all, doesn't it? We're not just talking about sprucing up your profile to make it look a little prettier. No. If you're not using this feature correctly, you are literally, and I mean literally, leaving money on the table. The stakes are way higher than most people realize.
So you might be asking, why all the fuss about this one little section? Well, it's because it's probably the most valuable spot on your entire profile. It's your prime real estate.
I want you to just picture this for a second. Someone clicks on your profile, they see your picture, your name, your headline, and what's the first thing they do? They scroll, and bam! What's the first big visual thing that grabs their attention? It's that featured section. You literally can't miss it. Think of it like the front window of a store.
But here's the problem. For so many people, that storefront window is either totally empty or even worse, it's just a mess. It's like a dusty old photo album, you know? Just a random jumble of old posts and links with no rhyme or reason. And that, my friends, is a huge missed opportunity.
Okay, so how do we fix this? The good news is, it's not some complicated tech trick. It's actually just a simple but really powerful mindset shift. It all comes down to understanding the difference between a gallery and a landing page.
And this right here is the big secret. You have to stop thinking of that featured section as a passive gallery just to show off old stuff. Instead, you need to start treating it like a mini landing page. And what's the whole point of a landing page? It has one job and one job only: to get every single visitor to take one specific action.
Just look at the difference here. On the left, you've got the messy gallery. It's confusing, it's random, where are you even supposed to click? But on the right, the clean landing page. It's simple, it's focused, and it points you to one single thing. That's the goal. That's what we're aiming for.
Okay, pause for a second. I'm serious. If you can, go pull up your own LinkedIn profile right now. Take a good hard look at your featured section. And be honest with yourself. Is it a messy gallery? Or is it a clean landing page? Is it actually doing any work for you? Or is it just sitting there?
All right, so if you want to make that transformation from a useless gallery to a landing page that gets results, you need one key ingredient, and that is a powerful call to action, or as you'll often hear it, a CTA.
And a call to action is, well, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's just a simple prompt that tells a visitor exactly what to do next. No guesswork, no confusion, just a clear, simple instruction.
And look, this doesn't have to be complicated at all. We're talking about something as simple as a book a call button, or a link to visit my website, or maybe check out my portfolio. The trick is to just pick one main goal and make it super obvious.
And why is this so powerful? Because it takes away all the guesswork. Think about it. If someone's interested in you, the last thing you want is for them to have to hunt around for how to contact you. You want to make it ridiculously easy for them to say yes and take that next step.
Okay, I can hear you thinking. This all sounds nice in theory, but does this little tweak actually work in the real world? Well, let's look at some proof. This is what I call the 3-meeting week.
So, back to that question. Does this actually work? Let me tell you about a consultant I know who put this to the test.
So this consultant, his profile was fine. It was okay. But it had no clear direction for visitors, no obvious links, no real next step. So he decided to try this little experiment. He added just one thing to his featured section. And what was that one thing? A super simple book a discovery call link to his calendar. That's it. And the result? In the very first week, he got 3 new meetings booked right on his calendar. 3 from just that one simple change. That's the tangible impact I'm talking about.
See? That's how powerful this is. So let's turn all this talk into action. Here is your super simple 3-step plan that you can do like right after this explainer is done.
Okay, here it is. Step 1. Decide on your number 1 goal. Ask yourself, what is the single most important thing I want someone to do when they land on my profile? Step 2. Create that call to action. Add a link or a PDF and give it a clear action-focused title. Not my work, but see my work. And finally, step 3. Clean house. Get rid of everything else in that section that doesn't point to your main goal. Declutter it.
So, I'm going to leave you with this one last question. Go back to your profile one more time. Look at that prime piece of real estate. And now that you know what you know, Ask yourself, what opportunity is your profile missing right now?